So now on our pound JPY, let's try and see our analysis for our pound JPY, starting with our daily time frame. As we can see it on our daily time frame, we are actually on a bearish move, by the way, and now our price has actually hit our 10-period moving average on our daily time frame. What we are expecting next is actually a fall. You can see here as a fall, a pullback that is on our downtrend, touching our 10-period moving average. We actually saw a fall again, breaking our previous lower lows, and now we actually had a pullback, and our pullback has failed to hit this our previous, will I say, lower highs. It has not taken out our lower highs, so it is actually a legitimate way to actually start aiming to short our 10 our pound JPY. Now I'll tell you another reason why we will be falling on our pound JPY. First of all, we would see our JPY index, by the way, on our daily time frame. We are actually on a bullish move, a higher highs, higher lows. We actually have another higher highs, right? We actually add another higher lows. Come here to test this place where our price broke out from. Now we actually add another higher highs, now breaking our previous higher highs. Now we actually now come back to test this area here, test this our area here, and guess what? We are actually aiming to go bullish, by the way. So we are actually running up on our JPY. So any pair we are trading to, our JPY should actually be falling, while our JPY would be rising. Now we can see on our 4-hour time frame, our price is starting to rise on our 4-hour time frame. That is our JPY. So we should be expecting a drop on our pound to our JPY. That is why we are expecting a drop, right? And now let's see it on our pound index. Now let's see our pound index, by the way. On our pound index, we are actually on a fall. You can see the long-term trend, which is the daily time frame. Now as you can see, we actually open close bearish. You can see our price opens close bearish. The next day we will definitely be opening and also close bearish. We would want to see our pounds to drop to this our level here. Let's sit on our 4-hour time frame. You can see, and this is actually a key level here where our price touched and we saw that huge movement upward. Our price came here again, we saw that huge movements. We are very much likely our price will come down again before we might see a huge movement upward. Not guaranteed, but what is guaranteed is that our pound index would actually be dropping. That is an indication that our pound itself would be falling. So our JPY index is showing a bullish move, and our pound index is showing a fall. So this our pound to our JPY, we are to actually take our short position, by the way. So that is the analysis for the day.